Researchers include found testimony of an current flash of fluid water supply on Mars, which they trust to be a pond sits by the Earth's southward Arctic ice hat, and is on 20 km, 12 miles, through. Pond beds love such explored by NASA's Curious Wanderer Shaw water supply was this on the shallow of Mars in the history. Yet, the Earth's environment has chilled due to its slim ambience, outgoing largest of its water supply blocked up in ice pack. The outcome is breathtaking since scientists include length sought for signs of this day fluid water supply on Mars, but these include go up blank or received controversial received information. It will as well concern such student the possibilities for lifetime for land, although it does not yet lift the stakes in the searching for biological. The opening was done with MARCES, a radar gun tool on Executive Board the Europe Area Agents, ESA, Mars Courier satellite. He's perhaps not a really big pond, told Professor Roberto Orosii of the Italian Domestic Institution for Astrophysics, who led the research. MARCES wasn't capable to define how heavy the stratum of water supply might be, but the study crew estimation how it is a minimal of 1 meter. The very qualifies the as a flash of water supply. A pond, not several type of meltwater fill several area among fate and ice pack, as happens in specific glaciers on land, Professor Orosii added. Radar gun tool love MARCES inspect the shallow and instant surface of the Earth by send out a alarm and considering which is bounced behind. The uninterrupted whites link at the top of the radar gun results over symbolism the start of the southward Arctic laminated deposit account, a phyllo-confectionery-like accumulating of water supply ice and powder. Under the researchers spotty thing extraordinary by the ice pack. In lighting dark blue you can see wherever the reflections of the lower are much stronger rather than shallow reflect. The is thing how is to us the speak story mark of the present of water supply, says Professor Orosii. Anything final? Still. Dr. Manish Patel of the Outdoor College explainable, we include length with named how the shallow of Mars is unwelcoming to lifetime as we aware it, so the searching for lifetime on Mars is now in the surface the is wherever we get adequate protect of detrimental emission, and the blood pressure and heat growth to more than favorable levels. Largest importantly, the allows fluid water supply, significant for lifetime. The concept of next the water supply is key to astrobiology, the research of capacity lifetime for land. So time the received information propose water supply is this, they don't prove whatever future. The water supply's heat and chemical could as well present a issue for any capacity Martian organisms. In procedure to stay fluid in such a common cold facility, the study crew estimation among -10 and -30 Celsius wherever it meets the ice over, the water supply potential has a large lot salts diluted in it. He's believable how the water supply may be in very common cold, concentration saline, that would be cute stimulating for lifetime, explainable Dr. Claire Kinn, an astrobiologist of the College of St Andrews, UK. Time its life provides a tantalizing perspective for such concerned in the opportunity of history or this lifetime on Mars, the pond's characteristics must at first be checked by future study. Which is necessary to be made currently, explainable Dr. Matt Baum of the Outdoor College, is for the measurements to be reiterated in another place to see for such signals, or, if probable, for all some explained to be discussed and, with hope, controlled of, perhaps the could though be the flop for an aspiring new Mars mission statement to drill bit in the buried water supply pocket, love has been made for submarine glacial lake in Antarctica on land, he added. Receive down there and purchasing the definitive testimony how the is really a pond will not be an lightweight problem, told Professor Orosii. It will need flyer a robotic down there that is able of drill via of ice pack. The will surely need several technology developments how at the time are not accessible.